Okay, so today we're going to be doing a side part closure wig installation. Ooh, yes, get it, bitch. Okay. Now wait a minute. Oh, pretty nigga shit real quick. So now I'm going to start with taking down my braids. Peep the curls, peep the curls. Oh, inch check. It's there. It's there. Yeah, okay. So yeah, and I'm gonna comb it all out. Beat the curls, beat the curls, curls for the girls, okay? And yeah, okay. Don't mind a little nap or whatever. And y'all don't, when I start braiding, don't talk about my little two little braids because I was in a rush. I had somewhere to go, so I had to, braid it up real quick. I know how to braid for real though. So, yeah. Don't be talking about my two little braids because some of y'all can't even braid. But anyways, and plus, it don't matter because I'm putting a cap over it. But shit, foundation is key. But I was in a rush. And I'm gonna put some oil up in my hair to, keep my hair moisturized and stuff like that. And some hair growth oil. And y'all gotta massage it in y'all scalp. And I think I forgot to put the cap on. Put the cap on first because I should have put it on. Put the cap on, spray it on your hair and get it real dry. Real dry. Until it's dry. Not still not dry. Dry. Had a little music break. When they play the NBA YoungBoy, up for sure. And now it's time to cut it. Make sure you're very careful when you cutting it. Next time I'll go in and cut off some more pieces, to make it more flat and stuff. I mean, I melted the lace for sure. But to make it melty. And if you see like little end pieces sticking up, like I sprayed some got to be glue on my hand and I just dabbed it on there. And trying to get it flat. I'm gonna let that dry. Also, this is my first time doing side part closing wig installation, let alone a side part with the closing, because some of them don't be looking right. So, yeah. Coming out the hair, that is 14, 16, 18. Actually, it's 12, 14, 16 inches with a 16-inch closing. From Bundles by Tay, shop with me, I'm in that. And the closure was a middle part closure, but I made it a side part. This wig could be made into a side part or a middle part. So once you finish, you want to put it on your head and line it up and see where you want it to be. And I got my ghost brown glue. Now that glue, baby, that's some old. Not none of that got glue. And it's like $20 a bottle. Maybe 16, I think. And you gonna spread it out and dot it against the wig cap and the hairline and get something and spread it out sort of kind of evenly. And I blow dried the first coat and then put a second coat on and then I sprayed a little got to be glue free spray to, hold it down. I think the two coats is better so it can hold more and your wig won't slide back. And once the glue dries up or get tacky, then you're gonna slowly and gently place the lace on where the glue at. Make sure you don't get any hair in the glue. Don't mind my lashes either. It's been a long day. They alright, they alright. So, grab your lace and slowly pull it up to line it up with the glue and stuff. I had to snatch it a little bit, like, come on, get right, line up, feel me? And you basically want to, line it up to where you like it, where you like your side part at, and stuff like that. Adjust it, make sure it's looking right. And what I'm doing here is just taking a piece of the end of the wax tampon and just pressing the lace into the glue to make sure my hair secures to it. Blow dry it. It's important that you secure the lace. And let nobody catch you slipping. Okay, now make sure you aim on it to make it shine. Somebody's throwing a curl iron, so I couldn't find it. So I have to use this wire to bulk up the curl part. Just gotta have this line straight over for your inside part so in. Yeah. When I found the curl iron, I was doing a little tutorial, so yeah. Put the sunglasses on, period. And that's the end result. And yeah.